Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to activate Spectrum Mobile eSIM step-by-step setup and activation guide. To activate a Spectrum Mobile eSIM, you must first trigger the activation through your Spectrum Online account or mobile app, and then install the profile on your device using a QR code or push notification. Phase 1 Pre-activation checklist. Connect to a stable home or public Wi-Fi network. Then check your phone must be carrier unlocked and eSIM compatible. Keep your Spectrum username and password handy and update your iPhone or Android to the latest available operating system version. Step 1 Check eSIM compatibility. Open your phone's dialer/phone app. In it, type *#06# into the keypad. No need to press call. A screen showing your device barcodes and serial numbers will pop up. Now look for a section labeled EID. If an EID barcode or 32-digit number appears, your phone is eSIM capable. If only IMEI number appears, your phone is physical SIM only. Step 2 Check carrier compatibility. Find your phone's unique identification number by dialing *#06# on your keypad. Now copy the 15-digit IMEI or IMEI2 for eSIM. Then go directly to the official Spectrum Mobile BYOD eligibility checker. Paste your IMEI number into the search box to get an instant compatible or not compatible status report. Step 3 Update OS. For Android, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Update. Then tap on Check for Update and select Download and Install. For iOS, go to Settings, then go to General, then tap on Software Update. Then click on Download and Install and enter your passcode. Step 4 Start activation via Spectrum. Log into the official Spectrum mobile account portal or open the My Spectrum app. Now navigate to the activation section or select the specific mobile line you want to activate. Then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity and billing details and keep the screen open. The system will generate a Spectrum eSIM activation QR code or push a digital notification directly to your device. Step 5 Install the eSIM profile on your device. For Apple iPhone users, steps. Navigate to Settings, then go to Cellular or Mobile Service. Now tap Add eSIM or Set up Mobile Service. Depending on your carrier push method, you may need to tap other options right before selecting Use QR code. Alternatively, look out for a Spectrum Cellular plan ready to be installed pop-up notification and tap it. Now tap Continue, follow the prompts to label your line, and select Done. For Android users, tips Samsung and Google Pixel. Go to Settings, then go to Connections, then go to SIM Manager or SIM card. Now tap Add eSIM or plus Add Mobile Plan. Now choose Scan QR code from service provider and center the Spectrum QR code in the camera view. Then tap Add/confirm and wait a few moments for the profile to download and register. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.